you are running out of time. Not in years, in days, in hours, in moments you keep wasting. Before 2026 arrives, the man you are today will either evolve or stay exactly the same. And deep down, you already know which direction you're drifting. You wake up with plans. You sleep with excuses. You say you want discipline, strength, money, respect, but your habits tell a different story. Scrolling instead of studying, comfort instead of challenge, distraction instead of direction. Every day feels busy, but nothing moves. You don't hate yourself, you just know you're capable of more. That feeling in your chest, that quiet frustration when you look in the mirror, that's not weakness, that's awareness. And awareness is dangerous because once you see it, you can't unsee it. You can blame your environment, your past, your lack of motivation, or you can accept one simple truth. No one is coming to build you. No mentor is knocking on your door. No perfect moment is arriving. No sudden burst of motivation will save you. You either build the man you're proud of, or you stay a boy with potential. The shift starts small. Wake up when you said you would. Train even when you don't feel like it. Do the hard task first. Keep promises to yourself. Discipline is not loud. It's quiet, repeated, boring, but it stacks. One hard workout becomes strength. One focused hour becomes skill. One saved dollar becomes free day. One uncomfortable conversation becomes confidence. Most men quit because results are slow. They want transformation without repetition. But identity doesn't change in one big moment. It changes in daily decisions. When you choose effort over ease, when you choose long-term over instant pleasure, when you choose growth over comfort, that's when you stop acting like the old version of you. And slowly, something shifts. You walk differently. You speak with more certainty. You stop explaining yourself. You stop needing validation. Because you know what you did today. Imagine reaching 2026 knowing you kept showing up, knowing you built strength when it was hard, knowing you mastered skills while others were distracted, knowing you became reliable to yourself. That is pride. Not fake confidence, not social media approval, real pride. The kind that comes from earned progress. But here's the hard truth. If you don't decide now, nothing changes. Another year will pass, more time will disappear, and you'll still be talking about who you could become. So decide. Not next month, not Monday, now. Choose one habit, one standard, one promise you refuse to break. Build momentum, protect it, repeat it. Before 2026, build a man you're proud of. Not for attention, not for applause, for you. Because when the year turns, you should not recognize the man in the mirror. And that transformation starts with what you do today.